Hello. Thanks for the video, by the way. As you can see, I'm sick. My nose is stuffed up. And I've been sick this whole entire week, and it sucks. But, yeah, I'm gonna show you some of my pictures from my entire class. Alright, so this is my dog. It's weird. And this one has like chemical stain. So just kidding. And I have this one. Okay, that's better. And then I have this one. And this is my friend Jen. And then my famous apples picture. Yeah, I bought 3 apples, an orange, tomato, and an onion, and I drew faces on them. Had a photo shoot with them. And then this is for my light and shadow corsets. This is light and shadow again. It's supposed to be contrast, you know, like the horror and then the very classy lady. And then there's another contrast, you know, sad, happy. And it's supposed to be my third contrast, black and white, but she didn't really understand it. This is for my nature roll. Yeah, I took that, and then there's this one, where she gave me a B because the death of feels wrong, blah blah blah. And then that's also nature. This is my reflection shot. Yeah, it's a jacuzzi, and then there's like reflection and stuff. And then this is for movement. You know, there's motion in the arm, in the hands, because of being pat cake. And then what else? This is for Death of Field. It's really cool. I like the picture a lot. It's for Death of Field again, for High Death of Field. This is for Lion Shape. These are just the same picture like 300 times. Me and my best friend Daddy. And this is my brother. That was like a test strip kind of thing. And then that's my friend's Uneven Development, which I come really retarded at. And that's Uneven Development. Woohoo! Uneven Development. Again. And again. And this is just my contact sheet. And this is for motion, jumping. And then just a random wheel. And that's my brother. And then this is me. And then this is for motion, because they're jumping again. And then this is again for motion. And these are my friends jumping. And then there's my friend Ivana. I didn't shoot this, that was my friend Woody who shot it. And then it's me again. And then it's for Lion Shape. And those are all my pictures. Well, not all, but the ones I have to take for class. So I'm bored. And I'm really tired. And I want to go to sleep. And I don't think I have homework, so I feel like shit. Shut up, I'm sad. Anna, yes, laptop. Okay, that's her screen name. Wow. Weird. So I'm just gonna stop wasting your time. And I'll just talk to you on AIM. Later.